deep in the mines at night, or under the scorching sun in the fields. When engineering faces extreme challenges, QXN submersible pumps never let you down. QXN is available in cast iron and stainless steel versions, with a cast iron